I went from spending over an hour to list 5 products in my Etsy shop to just 15 minutes. And the only thing I've changed is the system that I'm using. And today I'm going to be breaking it all down for you. Hi, my name is Emily. Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Cha-Chings, where I'm breaking down my favorite tips, trends, and tools for you every week so you can grow in your own Etsy print-on-demand shop. I started my Etsy shop about 3 years ago as a busy mom of 2 who was working full-time and grew my shop to over 6 figures in 10 months and have now reached over $800,000 in revenue in my Etsy shop with no previous graphic design or business experience. And now I love helping others get to do the same. Now, in last week's Coffee and Cha-Chings episode, I talked about how the design template method has been one of the keys to my success and my students' success on Etsy. And what does that mean? Basically, that you're not reinventing the wheel every time you sit down to design, and you can turn one product into multiple products with just a few simple changes. So in today's video, I want to show you exactly what that looks like, but also the system I am using with AnywherePOD to get those listed fast. So basically, the quick rundown of the template method is you create one design, and from that one design, you can then apply it to different niches, customers, ideas with a few simple switches. Here in Canva, I've designed some ornaments for different careers. You can see here a first Christmas as a veterinarian, first Christmas as a doctor, first Christmas as a physician, etc., etc. And we can really take this so far using the same exact fonts, structure of the design, colors, all of that. So we're not having to create a brand new design every single time. Now, this is great, right? This is wonderful, but how can we list these really quickly so we're not spending hours and hours doing it? And if you're like me, maybe you have a full-time job, maybe you have kids, maybe you're a caretaker, you don't have tons of hours to spend on listing your products. Plus, the listing part is honestly the little bit of the redundant part. So we want to make it easy and efficient. So let me show you how this works in AnywherePOD. All right, over here in AnywherePOD, I have set up my first listing, which is a Vet Tech Christmas ornament. You can see I have my design in there. I have already added the personalization with the year. I have my keywords, my personalization, instructions, my description, title, all of the things already selected. I have even already selected all of my mockups here. So these are set and good to go. With the rapid lister from here, now I can easily list several of these other products in a very quick amount of time. I'll click on rapid lister. And here's where I'll select the files that I've downloaded from Canva. All right, I've uploaded my 5 designs that I'm going to do. And you can see here, veterinarian, doctor, etc. Now, what I love about AnywherePOD is that you can go ahead and update the title, the description, and the tags right here on the screen, or you can also generate with AI. Now, I did a full extensive video on the Rapid Lister and the AI SEO tools here. So if you want to deep dive into how to generate with AI, your title, your tags, all of that, go ahead and watch this video. For today, I'm going to go ahead and manually update these. This will be super quick since I already have the keywords that I want, and I can just go ahead and plop in these different professions. All right, so I have updated our titles and our descriptions really easily, just changing out the career. Again, you can use AI if you want to, or you can do it manually, which I love as well. And then all you'll simply do is select submit. And from there, AnywherePOD is going to go ahead and generate your products. All right, so you can see here our Vet Tech Christmas ornament was the one we were working from. And now you can see our nurse, our lawyer, our physician one, and AnywherePOD has automatically generated all of those as well. And what's so great is that it keeps your mockup selection. It puts all your title and your tags that you wrote already in there. And so you are pretty much good to go ahead and push those listings over to Etsy. Here is the lawyer example that I showed you, and you can see the mockups have already been selected. All of the personalization details are in here. You may need to tweak maybe the personalization a little bit, but for the most part, all of this will be good to go over to Etsy. Together, these things solve two of the biggest drains on print-on-demand sellers, which is designing and listing. And if you are able to stay focused on one product type, as we did in this video with ornaments, and focus on one niche at a time, like we did with careers, you can truly utilize this template and rapid lister method to create listings that are high quality and high performing for your Etsy print on demand shop. So I will go ahead and link AnywherePOD below with a code to try it free for 30 days. This is genuinely a tool that I use every single day in my Etsy shop, from creating my listings to personalizing orders to everything in between. And I cannot say enough about how much it has changed my entire print-on-demand business. And don't forget to post a comment with your questions below so I can answer them in an upcoming Coffee and Cha-Chings. My name is Emily, and I'll see you next time.